Nutrigenetic obesity analysis is important in better understanding the genetic risks of obesity and its comorbidities and how to delay and prevent its onset. Predictive genetics can be used to manage or treat nutrigenetic obesity analysis, or NOA, through genetic testing. We can know our background to change our habits in order to prevent diseases. The progression of knowing, changing, and preventing is the basis of predictive medicine. The disease is multifactorial because the genetic component is polygenic, which means there are many genes involved. It is a combination of different mutated genes and the environmental effects that will cause a specific disease. Here is an example of a clinical case. A 47-year-old woman has been dieting since she was 21 with a bit of weight loss. She presented hypertension and was beginning type 2 diabetes. We did the NOA study of 16 genes and found that she had variations in 6 polymorphisms. Recommendations include a diet associated with low salt and fat and very low doses of inflammatory drugs, also omega-3 and 6 supplements and soluble dietary fibers, and of course, healthy habits including exercise. The genetic charge influences physiology and behavior, and the environment influences physiology and behavior. Together, these two realities influence the metabolic rate, both at rest and in activity. In the time dedicated to physical activity, the thermal effect of food, the effectiveness of assimilation, and the selection of macronutrients on what and when to eat, all these factors create an imbalance between expenditure and intake, leading to obesity. The test is recommended for individuals who have elevated BMI, pre-diabetes symptoms, difficulty in maintaining weight or obesity treatment, and a family history of obesity. The objectives are to treat the patient based on personalized treatment and prevent obesity and other comorbidities in a patient and their family. Oral mucosal cells, or a saliva sample, will be taken for the genetic test from the patient's cheek. The specialist sends the patient sample to Genyca and relays information back to the patient. Undergoing an obesity genetic test is easy and painless. It can be performed with a consultation. It is unique. The genetic results are valid for life. It is a new tool for the specialist at the forefront of technology, and the results may prevent obesity within families. Lastly, effective because it applies a personalized treatment based on an individual's genetic results. So prevent today to avoid obesity and comorbidities tomorrow. Contact Genyca for any other information or questions.